My name is Divasi, entering in LKG. My full name is Salmina Minas, Group of Institution in Chandapura.
Gnanapीठ Awards winners from Karnataka.
ಕುವೆಂಪು ಕರಬೆಂದ್ರೆ ಶ್ರೀರಂಗಾರ ಮಾಸ್ತಿ ವೆಂಕಟೇಶಯ್ಯಂಗಾರ್ ವಿ.ಕೆ. ಗೋಕರ್ ಇನ್ನು ನಟತ ಮೂರ್ತಿ ಗಿರೀಶ್ ಕಾರ್ನಾಡ್ ಚಂದ್ರಶೇಖರ್ ಕಂಬಾರ.
Rivers of India.
ಆಫ್ ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಬ್ರಹ್ಮಪುತ್ರ, ಗಂಗಾ, ಭದ್ರಾವತಿ, ಇಂಡಸ್, ಕಾವೇರಿ, ಕೃಷ್ಣ, ಮಹಾನದಿ, ನರ್ಮದ, ತೇಯಿಯ, ತಮಿಳಬರಣಿ, ವೈಗೈ, ಯಮುನಾ.
National festivals.
January 26, Republic Day. August 15, Independence Day. September 1st, Teachers Day. October 2nd, Gandhi Jayanti. November 14, Children's Day.
Planets in solar system.
Panacea, Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Four Vedas, Rugveda, Yajurveda, Samaveda, Atharvana Veda.
Dashavatara of Lord Vishnu. Matsya, Puma, Vadava, Lasima, Vamana, Pasirama, Rama, Krishna, Buddha, Kalki. 7 continents of the world.
Colors, continents, Advivai, Asia, Africa, Europe, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia.
5 oceans of the world.
5 oceans, Advivai, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Pacific Ocean, Southern Ocean, Arctic Ocean.
Capitals.
Session capitals. Andhra Pradesh, Samavati, Arunachal Pradesh, Itanagar, Assam, West Bengal, Bihar, Patna, Chhattisgarh, Raipur, Goa, Panaji, Gujarat, Gandhinagar, Haryana, Chandigarh, Andhra Pradesh, Shimla, Jharkhand, Ranchi, Karnataka, Bangalore, Kerala, Tirunelveli, Madhya Pradesh, Bhopal, Maharashtra, Mumbai, Manipur, Imphal, Meghalaya, Shillong, Mizoram, Gaibor, Nagaland, Kohima, Odisha, Bhubaneswar, Punjab, Chandigarh, Tanjore, Sikkim, Gangtok, Uttarakhand, Delhi, West Bengal, Kolkata.
Districts in Karnataka.
This is Karnataka. Bagalkot, Ballari, Vidas, Bengaluru Oral, Bengaluru Urban, Bengalbi, Ramanagara, Chikkabalapura, Chikkagugga, Dachira Kannada, Davangere, Darangatak, Assam, Kaveri, Kalbugi, Koragu, Kola, Koppala, Manya, Mysore, Ratnagara, Naichur, Sumu.
of India.
Women Freedom Purposes of India.
Durgabai Deshmukh.
Dogabadefur Alanafafali Chutatna Kiparni Chiturani Chanama Ke Onama Ijan Padipani Dinairo Tajidadina Nibai
Indian festivals.
Indian Tadiwan
Ganesha
Ganesha
Chaturthi.
Chaturthi, Navarati, Dasara, Deepalavi, Maya Shivastri, Christmas, Eid, Holi, Uaram, Buffet Day,
7 colors in rainbow.
Colors Rainbow, Violet, Indigo, Blue, Green, Yellow, Orange, Red.
Official languages of India.
Official language of India, Assami, Bengali, Baro, Bogi, Gujarati, Hindi, Kannada, Kashmiri, Konkani, Malayalam, Marathi, Maithili, Manipuri, Nepali, Oriya, Punjabi, Sasak, Sankali, Sindhi, Tamil, Telugu, Urdu.
Names of Rutus.
Esa Futus, Vasaranato, Viswavato, Vaswavato, Saragavato, Bematato, Sisirato.
Hindu lunar months.
Indolulaman, Saita, Vesaka, Desa, Asada, Savana, Bhadrapada, Asvaja, Kartika, Madasira, Bussa, Maga, Falguna.
Major cities in India.
Major cities in India, Mumbai, New Delhi, Kolkata, Chennai, Bangalore, Hyderabad, Ahmedabad, Pune, Surat, Jaipur.
Most popular international airports in India. Indira Gandhi Airport.
Airport, Hyderabad, Chhatrapati Shivaji Airport, Mumbai, Chennai Airport, Chennai, Kampagara Airport, Bangalore, Rajiv Gandhi Airport, Hyderabad,
Borders of India.
Border of India, North Himalayas, South Indian Ocean, East Bengal, West Virabaranti.
Kings of Karnataka.
King Force Karnataka, Pulkesi, Kisararaya, Kishnuvardhana, Mayogaramma, Amogavasa, Taina Inayaka, Kitura Nishanama, Akka Bukka, Zarazaran Bayara, Kampai Gaura.
Fundamental rights of India.
Fundamental rights of India, rights to equality, rights to freedom, right to governance, reputation, rights to constitution remedies.
5 sense organs.
First and nose, eyes, nose, ears, tongue, chin.
Indian dynasties.
Indian dynasties, Chalukya dynasties, Chola dynasties, Vaisala dynasties, Maurya dynasties, Rajputa dynasties, Mughal dynasties, Vijayanagara dynasties, Vardhan dynasties.
9 union territories.
Non-Union Territories, New Delhi, Delhi, Chandigarh, Damanangju, Dadra, Nagar Haveli, Pondicherry, Andaman and Iqbal Aire, Lakshadweep, Ladakh, Jamuna and Kashmir.
Top 10 Indian scientists.
Top 10 Indian scientists. Sima Dharmasana, Simi Rama, Omi Baba, Jangari Jangabos, Megaya Sada, Nangakasaya, Chatanana Bos, Jagamara Nagakar, Eka Sarambai, Anakadakai, Ibijaya Burkam. Thank you.